You guys remember Carol from my previous episode, right? It just so happens that she got me a good deal here in Manizales. I was staying at this Airbnb that I'm about to show you for about $11 a night. Yo, she came in clutch. And it's right next to the heart of all the action. So check this video out. What's going on, y'all? This is Nate from NIYS, and this is my apartment here in Manizales that I'm going to be staying in for a few more nights or several days, whatever have you. So why don't I show you around? Of course, we got the NIYS going on one of the TVs. All right, we got a nice sofa couch, sound system. Something about the sofa bed. Without a covering, I assume. The island table is pretty dope. Working on some episodes as we go. I did some grocery shopping. I was going to cook something. I was expecting an oven, but I don't see an oven, so it is what it is. But they do have, is that a waffle maker? That's actually pretty dope. Alright. Pretty dope. Freezer. And some more groceries that I have. And, cool. Alright. This is where this thing again. I thought it said it had a dryer. Is this also a dryer? I think it's a washer and a dryer. I think so. I hope it's both. Because then I'm going to have to throw away some clothes. I wouldn't mind throwing away clothes because I need some room to take some goodies back. But, okay, that's the little bit of thing so far. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Okay, got another TV up in here. All right. It's a nice bed. Totally, look at this closet. What? Okay. It's a dope closet. But, I don't know what those are for. I mean, I ain't a kid, I can't fit in that. The bathroom looks nice and dope. A shower with the soaps and stuff. The bed, let's see. Let's do a barrel roll. Oh, sweat. The bed is alright. NIYS. And of course, we got the tins and the hat. Alright, well, cool. It's cool. More NIYS episodes. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all need to subscribe to your boy Nate. Subscribe. Like this video. Comment on this video. Share this video. Let me know if you will ever stay in a spot like this. I would say my main gripe with it is the fact that I am on one of the main streets. It is kind of loud. Alright, yeah, I'm just in the kitchen making some edibles. Ooh, some edible dinner. That smells nice. Let me put some more spinach up in that. Yo, this spinach is mad thick. Never had a tough spinach like that before, bro. For real. And I was surprised though. I think this is a plant-based butter. You know what I'm saying? No trans fat, no cholesterol. And I was like, wait a minute. I'm looking at it. I'm like, yo, I thought this was butter. I'm like, no, it's a margarine. Normally I don't mess with margarines, but Bon appetit. Dinner is served. But yeah, man, this is my spot for the next few days, several days. But thank you very much for watching this video. Keep eating, keep exploring, and I'll see you next time. Peace.